Dear students, welcome to the 24th session, which is on the Pickwick Papers by Charles Dickens, prescribed by the Mangalore University for 3rd semester BA Optional English, Paper 3, Victorian Literature. This is Vasanta Ravi Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of English, Purnaprajna College, Udupi. This video highlights chapters 25 to 28. You have seen in the previous session the story The Queer Client as a contrast to the narrative The Pickwick Papers. You have learned that Sam's father is unhappy about his wife's attachment with spirituality and especially with Mr. Stiggins. You have understood the manner Jock Trotter dodges Sam. Magnus suspects Pickwick for treachery. Nupkins arrests the Pickwickians and Sam. Mr. Pickwick trains Magnus to propose marriage. Magnus introduces his fiancée, Miss Witherfield, to Mr. Pickwick. Unfortunately, she happens to be the lady whose room Pickwick accidentally enters. Magnus suspects Pickwick for treachery and prepares a duel with Mr. Pickwick. Miss Witherfield complains about Mr. Pickwick to a magistrate named Mr. Nupkins. Her intention was to stop the duel between Mr. Pickwick and Magnus. She feels upset about Mr. Pickwick and Mr. Tupman together being arrested. The Pickwickians are charged with various crimes and are taken into custody. Grummer is a police officer who handles the case. Sam Weller gets into a fight with the officers who have arrested Mr. Pickwick. Grummer accuses Sam Weller of having rescued the prisoners and arrests him. 2 assaults were proved against Mr. Sam Weller, a threat against Mr. Winkle and a push against Mr. Snodgrass. When the trial was going on, Nupkins becomes furious when Grummer laughs. Mr. Pickwick defends Sam, which again makes the magistrate Nupkins angry. This episode explains that the Pickwickians who had started their journey with a spirit to contribute something valuable to the society ends up in trouble and get arrested due to the interference of Miss Witherfield. Sam's role in defending his master is tremendous and he succeeds in exposing Mr. Jingle to the court. Mr. Pickwick is a straightforward person who has no clues regarding what is happening around him. Mr. Pickwick asserts that the court has to listen to what he says. He tells boldly that he has heard from Sam that Mr. Nupkins has allowed Mr. Jingle to stay in his house and Jingle is a suitor of Nupkins' daughter. He describes Mr. Jingle as an unprincipled adventurer, a dishonorable character, a man who preys upon society and makes easily deceived people his dupes. It was an embarrassing situation for Nupkins to accept the fact that Jingle is in his house. As per his wife's suggestion, to save the skin, Nupkins disposes Pickwick's case. Nupkins invites Pickwick to wait and confront Mr. Jingle when he returns to his house. This episode explains the reality that big shots like the magistrate Nupkins has weaknesses which sometimes push them into embarrassing situations. Sam meets a pretty housemaid named Mary. He meets Mary in his servants' quarters and strikes up a romance with her. When Job returns, Sam and the servants confront him, and Sam succeeds in exposing Job Trotter as a liar. The cook was ready to tear off his hair. Meanwhile, Mr. Pickwick confronts Jingle. Mr. Jingle and Job Trotter are forced to leave the place, but both seem to be untroubled. A butler dumps them into bushes. Their ultimate goal of exposing Job Trotter and Jingle was achieved, and Pickwick leaves the place. From this episode, we understand that Sam is a sensible person who knows how to act aptly during difficult situations. Mr. Pickwick decides to leave Mrs. Bardell's house and stay at a hotel. He sends Sam to pay the rent and see whether Mrs. Bardell was serious about the suit against him. Sam confirms that the suit will take place. When Sam visits Mrs. Bardell, he finds two of her lawyers, Dodson and Fogg, at her place. Sam was sure that Dodson and Fogg are sure to win the case against Mr. Pickwick. Mr. Pickwick visits his lawyer, Mr. Perker, to discuss the case. This episode explains how the predatory nature of women like Mrs. Bardell can put straightforward men like Mr. Pickwick into trouble. Sam goes to visit his father and stepmother, Susan Weller, at Dorking. Sam finds his stepmother complaining about his father to a clergyman called Mr. Stiggins. His grandmother's complaint was that his father was not contributing donation to any of Mr. Stiggins' charitable causes. His grandmother and the clergyman were reluctant to talk to Sam. Sam's father complains about Stiggins and tells that he has taken advantage of the Wellers. Sam assures his father that he would get rid of Stiggins. Once again, Sam plays a very fatherly role in this episode. The next episode brings out a romantic atmosphere created in Bella Waddell's marriage. The Pickwickians go to Dingledale to attend Bella Waddell's marriage with Mr. Trundle. Mr. Snodgrass is happy to find Emily Waddell as Bella's bridesmaid. Mr. Winkle is fascinated to see Arabella Allen, a beautiful lady with black eyes, as Bella's another bridesmaid. The charm of the occasion was Mr. Pickwick presenting a watch to the bride and proposing a toast. Followed by the wedding, everyone celebrates Christmas with games and stories told by the side of a fire. The romantic aura is enhanced by the young girls kissing their partners, and Mr. Pickwick also gets trapped in this aura. Students, with this we come to the end of session 24. Thank you.